Hello guys, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps and games in your Samsung mobile without any software. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, hit that subscribe button and smash the bell icon right now. Then let's move to our video. To hide apps and games, first go to the app menu. In here, you can see these three buttons with more options and tap on it. Go to the settings in here. Scroll down and go to hide apps option. Now we can hide any app that we want. You can see all of my apps in here. I'm going to hide this gaming hub app. You can see it in my app menu. Now go to the hide apps option and only I have to do is select the app and tap on done. Now get back to the app menu. You can see the Gaming Hub app is no longer available in anywhere. The app is hidden. Now let's see how to unhide this app. Go to app menu settings here and go to hide apps. Remove the app from the hidden apps and give done. Get back to the menu and now you can see my Gaming Hub app. Using this method, you can hide any app or any game that you want and no one will notice it. If you like my video, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. To watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thanks for watching.